Hi everyone, this is Kasha. I'm feeling artsy and today we're gonna draw Narwhal and Jelly. They're the main characters of this book, Narwhal, Unicorn of the Sea. If you're here, I'm guessing you've already read it. It's by Ben Clanton. If you have not read it, you should because it's totally awesome. Okay, so to do this, you're gonna need a piece of paper and a pencil and then something to color with. So we're gonna start with the Narwhal and we're gonna start with his head, which is like a big upside down U. Once you have his head, go down and do his body, except make sure that this one goes in a little bit more further. See how it's not exactly the same? So this goes in a little bit further and this side comes in and meets it. Then we're gonna draw his teeny tiny little tail, and it's just like two little teardrops. And then his arms, his flippers that are starting somewhere in the middle of his body, and they're just like little more teardrops, I guess. Once you have that, we're gonna do his face. We're gonna draw his eyes, and they're just little tiny black ovals. Like, I don't like his head, I'm gonna fix it. And then his mouth, it goes between his eyes. And it's a little U, then a bigger U, and then the tongue is an upside down U. And finally his horn, it's on top of his head. It's really big and long. And then there's 6 lines going through it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now Jelly. Jelly is also an upside down U. So, and he's a little to the side here. Then the bottom line. His eyes are also little dots or ovals, and his mouth is an open oval going this way because he's surprised. He's never seen a narwhal before and he thinks narwhal's not real. Now he's got 6 tentacles, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're done. Next step, I'm gonna outline everything with a black Sharpie, and then I'm gonna color my characters. I'm gonna use markers. You can use crayons. You can use colored pencils. You can even paint your narwhal. I'm gonna use gray for the narwhal and blue for the jelly, and I'm gonna do yellow for these little lines, and then I'll also add these lines. So just 3. 1, 2, 3. And narwhal has 3 on each side. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, my narwhal and jelly are done. I hope you liked my video. If you did, make sure give me thumbs up, subscribe, and come back next time because we're gonna do super narwhal and jelly jolt.